Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Ayong buntag sa tanan. Mahangin ngayon, everyone. Ano, may kotse na naman doon. Mahangin, kaya malamig. Medyo malamig na yun, everyone. So, today is Friday. TGIF today. And first day of August, everyone. So, time check, 4:08. And the weather for today is about 14. Oh, kaya pala malamig, everyone. Getting cold again. Palapit na naman ang taglamig, everyone. Kaya malamig sa tainga. Mag-change na naman tayo ng bonnet, everyone. OOTD of the day, everyone. So, yan lang, and see you when I see you, everyone. See you after 4 hours. Bye, and God bless us all. TGIF! Kain tayo, everyone. Wala breakfast pala tayo. Good morning, everyone. I am here. Done my work, but I am amazed to taste all of this. This is the part of their drinks and fruits. Time check 7:07, and let's go here. We want to this is for the breakfast. Hi, I just get the food. Wow, this is nice. All the sausages. Oh, I love the hash browns, no? And there's a lot of bread on here. And this is all for breakfast. Oh, the pancake is here. The croissants. And this one also, the cheddar cheese. The boiled eggs. Wow. Gluten-free croissants. They have also vegan cheese. And this one also, the maple contains celery milk and soy. That's nice. And there is also here the center counter. Oh wow, very nice, very nice. You have the 9 dairy milk and the gluten-free cornflakes. And here is the cashier. And if you want the coffee, we have also here the toasted bread if you want. And this is the coffee. And my colleague is there already. Time check. 9:11. Waiting for the bus 70. In 3 minutes, they are coming. So dito muna ako, everyone. Near at the Imperial College. The bus is here. Priority here.
70. Chiswick Business Park.
Ininit ko yung leftover ng kagabi, everyone, nilaga. Tapos nagluto ako ng ganito. And then lalagyan ko ng spinach, everyone. That is our lunch. Tapos mayroong kanin doon. May nagsaing. So, yun lang everyone. See you later. Lunch tayo everyone. End of my journey. At the moment, very early ako ngayon. Way out. Way out tayo everyone. Here at Alcade. See you when I see you everyone. See you after 4 hours. Aga pa. Aga pa tayo everyone.